climbing mountains, too blind to see. It's not getting you closer to where you wanna be.
We got a house. We got a house.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I took a short trip because I was stressed out and I really needed a time off for just to be with myself, you know. So I just ordered for food. My food just came. I ordered for chips. I'm just gonna show you guys. I ordered for chips and yeah. So switching houses back in Lagos. Yeah, we're going to go into checking apartments when I get back to Lagos and all of that. But before then, let's try out the chips. This is what my food looks like: chips and chicken sauce. Just how I like it. How I like it, guys. So crunchy. Really nice. So I'll just eat and I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Wow. Guys, I came back from Naya's event and I just started packing up my stuffs because I'm moving houses. We've really gone far in this packing. Because the light in the room is not working, so I'm just using my ring light. We've actually done a good job. We just want to conclude with this place, then tomorrow I can do those bags up there, those bags, and in fact everywhere in this house all the light has fault, and my bathroom. I'll show that to you guys tomorrow. But yeah, we've actually done a good job. Those bags there, this bag and this one is already packed. We have another one packed that is outside. Some of these things are like trash. Yeah, so I'm taking down the curtains by tomorrow, and I'm not leaving with this, and I'm not leaving with the bed frame. So yeah, we're making progress. So yeah guys, we're making progress. See, I still have my makeup on. I've not even cleaned my face. I've not had my bath, but I have to move today. Like today, I am so excited. I just figured I did not mention what the time is. The time is 1:17 a.m. Yes, 1:17 a.m. and we just have to finish this thing at least so I can catch into sleep, wake up. I still haven't gotten a truck yet, but I'm waiting for my friend to get back to me because he's going to give me he's going to send the number of the truck person. Yeah, so yeah, I just came back to tell you guys what the time is. Hey lovelies, so updates. I'm so sorry about that noise. It's from my fan. Update, we've packed like 80% of my stuffs. It's mainly like 20%, so we're going to do that in the morning. It's already after 3. Like, what's the time? It's 3 o'clock. Yeah, so it's like 3 o'clock on the dot. We just have to rest our head. I just had corn and turkey. I was so hungry. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I'll see you guys in the morning. We'll start packing again by 8 o'clock. Okay, bye guys, good night. Hey lovelies, good morning. Hi guys. Yes, we are up and we have started working from where we stopped yesterday. Yeah, we're almost done. I don't know, I've still not gotten the truck yet, but I'm waiting for my friend to reply me. So yeah, excited. Hey, my loves, good morning. So, guys, today we're going house hunting. I've not been vlogging all the houses I've been going to check. That's because it's always like impromptu. But today we're checking two houses, self-contained, and yeah, let's go together, guys. Mwah. The good thing it rained today in Lagos. Always good to look for houses during the raining season. So yeah, let's go. Guys, I am so exhausted. I am back home. I'm tired. I'm so tired, guys. I just got home and yeah.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Everyone's upstairs. Everyone's upstairs. And this girl's very flash. She's there for 3 months. Even before anything was done here.
Wow.
I'm telling you. She's there for 3 months. Look at this second gate.
Okay, from the back.
Yeah, look at me.
Yeah, the water is clean.
This second gate.
Nice. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay, this is the gate. Oh, okay. Okay. It's not bad. I like it.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played.
stew, making chicken stew, and making okra goat meat with goat meat. I haven't poured the fish because I don't want the fish to break. And yeah, my okra. So yeah. Talk to you guys when I talk to you guys. And nobody should come for me or for my pot. Nobody should even come for me for this pot. Please. Thank you very much. Watch my videos, subscribe to my channel so I get monetized and buy a new pot. Period. Ready? I'm edited down that one. My friend has vlogged and kill herself today. Wait, let me pay. I'm begging, let me pay.
Take it up, fill it up, get it right, get it right, get it right, get it right. I need it to take it up, fill it up, get it right, get it right, take it up, fill it up, get it right, get it right, get it right, get it right. I need it to take it up, take it up, fill it up, get it right, get it right, take it up, fill it up, get it right, get it right, get it right, get it right. I need it to take it up, take it up, fill it up, get it right, get it right.
It's ready. Guys, I made the best jollof rice, the best Nigeria jollof. Let me show you guys the turkey. Hey guys, this is the soft turkey. Yum, 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 yum. Guys, oh my god, guys, I am super excited. Guess what? We got it! Oh my god, guys. So there've been a lot of back and forth since the last time I vlogged. From going to check houses that the houses they sent to me is not what they took me to see, to fighting an agent, to just a whole lot of stuff. But yeah, I finally got to this place and this place captivated my heart. I was so happy to have found this place, and then I made payments, and then my money was now refunded because the landlord wasn't the one who I sent the money to directly. And so instead of the landlord, I sent the money to the estate manager, and so they refunded the money to me. The landlord had a meeting with me, so we had a meeting like yesterday, and he sent me his account number and said I was good to go. So now I'm going to the bank to make the payment. Yes, guys, I'm super excited. I'm going to the bank to make the payment. Yeah. So we got a house, guys. We got it. We got a house. We got a house. Yeah, sure. Hey lovelies, so I was editing this vlog and I noticed I do not have an outro for it. Lovelies, just ignore this guy on my face. I'm super stressed with the whole house stuff and trying to put my house together and everything. So yeah, by the time you guys see this vlog, I'm sure I would be like chilling in my house, I guess. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always sticking around watching my videos. And if you see my video for the first time, thank you so much. I love you so much. Please subscribe to my channel so much. Okay, please subscribe, please. Yeah, I know. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. God loves you, and I love you guys. Okay, bye. Mwah.